Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing absolutely well. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to use the risk reward tool in TradingView in 2026 to plan your trades properly. Now guys, if you are looking for the TradingView premium subscription discounts, look no further because their Black Friday deal is here. In this particular deal, you will get up to 80% off plus 1 month subscription absolutely for free. Plus, this particular sale is going to last only for the next 2 days. So if you are interested, you can just simply come here on this page and explore the offers. Now, on tradingview.com, you need to first of all log in into your account if you haven't already. Now click on the option of products in order to launch the chart in front of you. You can also click on the search icon here on the top. Then you can look for any of the symbols of that particular chart which you want to basically use the risk to reward ratio on. You can click on the option of the launch chart and the chart will be opened in front of you. Now, once you have your chart available, simply hover over to the left hand side, then click on the option of this particular forecasting and measurement tools section. This will be the fifth option. So when you click on it, you will see the long and the short tools here. I would recommend you to simply star them so that it could come here in your tools tray here on the top. It will be very easy this way to access these tools. Now, based on your analysis or your strategy, if you are looking for buys here, so you can use the long position. You can place it just like so. You can adjust your stop loss, you can adjust your target, and you can use the long tool over here. Now it is going to show you the risk that you are putting, and this particular section is going to show you the reward that you are going to get. Similarly, if your strategy says that you want to short from this particular position, you just have to place your short position over here just like so. After that, simply just drag your risk just like so, and then you just have to drag and drop your reward just like this one. So this way you can use the risk and reward tool here in TradingView. You can also make changes into it by using the settings. So simply click on it and click on the option of settings. You can change its style basically. Other than this, I don't think so that you need to make changes into it, but you can do in whichever manner you like. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.